This is a brand new prototype Hypershift that we just got our hands on. It's called LV426, and this is our BMW with the brightest color shifting combo that we've ever put on. Now, in what world does it make sense to test a brand new, never before sprayed Hypershift on a base coat like this, safety cone orange and ZRG? It probably doesn't make a lot of sense, but we wanted to take advantage of putting something over this color because we love it so much. And don't worry, whatever this does over that, we're still going to show you this brand new Hypershift over a bunch of different base colors and samples at the end, so you'll get to see it perform over a whole bunch of different base colors. So, Gabe, what can you tell me about LV426?
Nothing.
Right. Me neither. We've never sprayed it. We've never tested it. We only have 2 bags. Thoughts on pigment loads?
25.
Per gallon?
Per gallon.
Going straight for it.
It's interference. We have to.
Fair. And it's got to compete with this.
And it's a bright base.
So here's what I'm seeing. I'm not seeing much. Like Gabe said, it's an interference style Hypershift. I am getting some kind of bluish purpley tones off of it. In a way. Oh, it's so small. It's so small. Was that silvery? This is what I'm seeing. What in the world? It's more of like a silvery, bluish, purpley something. Okay, let's get it in here and see what it does. It's dense too. This is 25 grams. So that's going in. And right off the bat, the entire top of the gallon just fired off in a blue, purple something. Let's get this mixed up. All right. Look at this. I know I hate when I do this, but look at the side and then look at the top. Oh yeah, side. And then boom, electric blue on top. All right, we're not going to know much of anything until the old stick of truth comes out. So let's jump right to that. Now remember, safety cone orange with ZRG. So already on this car, we've got bright orange, gold-ish, green, pinkish red. There's a lot already happening. So for this to have even a chance of playing a role, it's got to either overpower what's on there now or contrast with it. All right, stick of truth. What the hell? This isn't holographic, right? Why am I seeing... Okay, I'm seeing blues, greens, purples, but a very high metallic factor. It's really hard to see. You see what I'm seeing?
I get like blues and teals.
Yeah, teals. Look. Bing, boom, bop. This thing's moving. All right, well, one thing I can say for sure, it's not like any other Hypershift we have, which is a great sign. There's a lot of crossover with stuff like that. So LV426, going over safety cone and ZRG, worlds are about to collide. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
I'm not, but let's go. All right, guys, we're all done with the project. So we had this new prototype Hypershift pearl to play with today, and we wanted to accomplish two different things. First, we had our 3 Series with this bright, bold color on it, the safety cone orange with the ZRG Hypershift on top, and before we peeled it, we just wanted to use it as a base coat for something just to see what happens, so we sprayed it on top of that. We also wanted to give you a really good look at what this new Hypershift pearl will look like over different base coat colors, so I've got a ton of those for you to review at the end of the video as well. And I cannot believe how differently this new Hypershift reacted over the car versus over the speed shapes. I guess it makes sense when you put a Hypershift on top of a Hypershift. It's super unpredictable, but I can't wait for you guys to see it. So I want you to do two things. Take a look at everything at the end here, leave a comment below, and first rate the car for me 1 through 5. Let me know if you love the outcome or if you don't. And I want you to take a look at every base coat color and let me know which one of those is your favorite. If you want to play with any of our paints, you know we got a ton of kits, a ton of colors, and everything in both peelable and permanent paints. Head straight to DipYourCar.com. Gabe and I had a blast in the video, and I really hope you enjoyed watching it. I'll see you on the next one.